Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. So on iPhone we have only one option how to check it, is to create a widget, because the application for this earbuds is not available for iPhone. You can install it on Android but not on iPhone. And now, how to create a widget? You need to press and hold that empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Then scroll down and you need to find batteries. Tap at this line, or you can use a search, write batteries here, tap here, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you, let's say this one, and click Add Widget. And right here you can check a battery percentages for your earbud. But your earbuds should be connected with your phone and turn on. Now, right here we have it for the right earbud, because right now the main earbud is the right one. To check it for the left earbud, we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and disconnect the main one and connect the second one. So click the information icon near to your main earbud, then disconnect and tap at your second earbud. Now we can return to the widget and we have battery percentages for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.